Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Deadbolt. I'm Rawrquaza. Rawrquaza! I just ate chocolate, so my enunciation isn't that great. You know, one pro tip, if you're ever recording something or you're going to have any oration of any sort, going to have a speech, don't eat candy before. I always do it, and I shouldn't. You really shouldn't. Sugar coats your mouth and throat and causes you to have issues and difficulties. We're gonna load our game. We're 53% completed. This is pretty good. We can buy a weapon. We got our scythe and our hammer, because, you know, I just threw my hammer off of the dock. That's good. Okay. Suppressed shotgun. I need like a sniper rifle. Why isn't there a sniper rifle? I guess that's what pistols are for. I don't really know what I want. I guess we'll save up for the most expensive things. Maybe we'll try the flashbang. I'm interested. I want to, you know, try new stuff. Flashbang might be useful in conjunction with the scythe. It might knock dudes off of their perch. Do we have a new cassette? Cold. It's so bitterly cold. In the darkness of my patrol, lights dancing across the waves, the cold bit at my exposed bones. I pry every step off of the pavement. The humidity near the docks frees my feet to the ground. I can hear Ibzan in the other room, still telling the shamans about the land of warmth and the ash and the portal and blah blah blah. I'm starting to think it's bullshit, but we are all so cold. The idea of a warmer place is so inviting. More flesh, he'd say. We need more for the portal. It is so close, my brothers. We will soon be embraced by his warmth, for he loves every one of us. It's so cruel, isn't it? I wanted to die, and I still do, but I can't. I have no brain to destroy or nerves to sever. The generals reassemble me as soon as I rip myself apart. And why is it so goddamn cold? Dude. That's deep, dark, man. Alright. Hello, cat. This is a cute cat. Flames roar to life. Skeletons are found. No flesh and no love. Stop their harvest, or Ibzan is crowned. By the time I arrive, the harvest will be near complete. I'll only have a minute to destroy all the harvest totems. Ibzan, his heart long gone. Ibzan leads the dredged. You must bring his end. He cannot do it alone. Okay. We have 60 seconds. This is a timed thing. The vampires are being turned to ash. Stop the next harvest. I got shot, apparently. Okay, we have the Tommy gun. I have, why did I have my hands there? I also got shot there. I get shot every time. What's going on there? Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm dropping my sight, that's why, okay. Okay, we can get shot like one time by this guy. So we actually just want to... get in here. Oh no! Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Oh no! Oh my god, it's fine. Come on, vampires. Okay, good. Okay. I'm running out of seconds left. Where the heck is the other thing? Oh, shit. Okay, so definitely, like, knock on this door. Hold on, let's restart mission. So we were going over here. We come in here. We're gonna murder this guy. Oh, God, don't get whirlwinded. Come over here. Good, excellent, perfect. No, no, no. Just burn the totem. And we come up here and we murder this guy. And then we open this and murder this guy. And we murder these dudes. And then we close that door. Make sure that that happens. Okay. Oh, God. No, no, no. Okay, they're coming. Then they come down the door. Got it. Burn this. Come over here. Get in here. Slash, slash. Oh, don't get whirlwinded. No, no, no. Knock. Go, go, go. Fast, fast. Nice. Sometimes that just works. Other times it doesn't. Explode him. Murder. Murder. Take this. Good. Close this door. Take our scythe. We're gonna murder both of these guys. Good. The next one is up there. We're gonna wait for these guys to go into the next room and then we're just gonna go past them. Or not. We're gonna have to... Oh my god. Okay. So, I don't know. Maybe I should take this instead. God damn it. Come on, man. Knocking can split enemies apart, making it easier. Thanks! Yeah. Okay. Pro tips, good strats. Oh god. Shit. Okay, so we will end up taking this. Oh god, no, damn it. Maybe I should Tommy gun them as they come in the door. That'll save some time at least. I need to figure out what to do after that though, is the main problem. Dang it, when he's not facing me, I feel like I have a less chance to actually get that kill, which is weird. It's just the way that he reacts. Yeah, because he runs forward when he's facing me. That's interesting. Oh no, I didn't keep shooting. I should have just kept shooting. Alright. This time, surely. We gotta get the Tommy gun. Good. Yeah, that definitely works as long as he's actually looking at me, which is whatever. Don't do it. Okay, now we take this, we're gonna shoot him, and then we're gonna take this and we're going to shoot these guys. Oh my god! Oh, they came out of the thing. I was not actually expecting that. Okay, maybe we can just kill them with the scythe as they come out then. God damn it. I didn't kill him fast enough. That's okay. Gotta go fast. Take the Tommy gun. God damn it. I just don't... Some of these, like... I don't know how... Why it's so inconsistent. Maybe I'm just not clicking fast enough? There's weird if I have one problem with this game, it's that it has weird, like, execution. If I'm just placed at the right spot, then I don't even get hit by him. I don't know, that's weird. No, no, no. Okay, good, good, excellent. Okay, then we take this. We're gonna Tommy gun these fools. And that wakes up the entire neighborhood, but that's okay. Okay, that's too many dudes. That's like way too many dudes. Oh, god damn it. He came out of the door that time. That's the first time he's actually done that. Maybe, I wonder what happens if I go up here first and then... That angers literally everybody in the house. So maybe that's not the best idea. Okay, good. Oh my god, I'm punching them. Why did I drop my scythe? I think I picked up the PPW or whatever. Okay, good. We could use the sledgehammer and that would insta-kill, like, everything. God damn it. Ah. Like, I keep getting to the point on that dude where it's like one hit away from him dying and then... Get out of here. Okay. God damn it. See? Oh, that was too close. He was... When he has his back turned, he's the most dangerous. Yeah, it takes longer when he's looking at me for him to murder me. Okay, then we knock here, and then we aim 1, 2, 3. Okay, good, and then we... Good. Now what? Now we wait for these guys? Yes. Okay. Then what? We anger this lady. She angers... Where the heck are you going, lady? God damn it. I feel like I need to go faster, but I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna try the sledgehammer out this time. Because that kills this guy instantly. Okay, well, that's not great. Come here. Okay, everyone's dead. Good. I need to... Oh my god. See, maybe if we had kept the sight there. I don't know. Okay, you know, I don't know. I can't walk through the light. That makes sense. Let's try something else. Let's try the flashbang instead of the hammer. And then we'll restart. Now, I don't know actually how the flashbang works, but I think we might be able to use it to our advantage here and also skip some steps. Well, not for that guy. If you can't make progress, take a break and come back with a fresh perspective. Honestly, that's like worse than the risk of rain, as I've said in a previous video. Hold on. Oh shit, come on. It's okay, we're doing okay. Okay, we did it. Kill that. Get in here. Explode this guy. Knock on the door. Kill this guy. 3 hits. He's dead. Then we pick up this really fast and we murder this guy, which is going to anger the 2 dudes, who we then wait patiently for. And then we murder. Oh, not close enough. Didn't wait long enough. Almost died to him. Murder that thing. Come up here. Easy. Knock on the door. 1, 2, 3. Come in here. Wait for these fine ladies. Oh, dang it. The door didn't quite close behind us. No. Restart mission. Come in here. Grab this. Over here. 1, 2, 3. Burn the ash totem. Get in here. Go here. Knock. 1, 2, 3. Back off. 1, 2. Oh, okay. Pick up this. I'm gonna wait for this guy. Oh god. Maybe not. This is a huge time waste. Oh my god. I actually got shot twice there. That's interesting. 1, 2, burn, go down here faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Knock. 1, 2, burn, go in here. Go in here. 1, 2, 3. Good. Burn this. Go in here. Top notch. Knock. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the part that gets weird, right? Okay, well, kill the ladies and then deal with that. I think our handling of that area right there is the part that is going to allow us to succeed. God damn it. I think I need to pick up that gun. I'm dead. No, I'm not. Okay. I don't know how that worked out. I think we need to pick up that gun and use it to kill the single dude. The gun that this guy drops. Knock. 1, 2, 3. Kill these guys. And then we pick up this and then we murder this guy. Okay, good. And then we wait for these guys. 1, 2. Okay, then we come down here and we switch for the, we have the flashbang. Okay, so we keep using the flashbang. We're gonna kill this guy, and we're going to flashbang. Oh, what? He shot me. Okay, I thought that he would die. Maybe, I think that'll work though. If I just react faster, maybe. Remember to conserve more powerful ammo for stronger enemies. Okay, good. We can also jump down. We can jump down there to get that Tommy gun. I think that's what would be the best there for after we use the flashbang. God damn it. Burn this. Come up here. Murder this guy. Knock on the door. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pick up this. Shoot you. Pick up this. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh, we didn't quite. Almost. We killed him. Actually didn't even open that door that time. Well, at least we're getting faster. Holy crap, can I just burn this thing? Thank you. Knock at the door. 1, 2, 3. Get over here. Go, 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 go. Faster! Nope. Okay, I need to pick up the scythe. Maybe swap the flashbang for the thing instead of the other thing. You know what I'm saying? So that I don't have to go back and pick up the scythe. Because that's what's costing me the death to the 2 vampires. God damn it. I still don't understand, like, sometimes the best laid plans of mice and men just fail. Because this guy decides to whirlwind at a different time. Or this guy, he drops his scythe on the thing. Oh, that's so annoying. Peek in here. Go, 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 go. I think we might make it this time. We did, okay. Now we go in here. And we flashbang. Oh no, he still does hit me after that. Okay. I wonder what happens if we do this. It makes everyone mad, but it gets them out of there. Then we can, like, not worry about this, really. Ah, oh, see, that first guy doesn't die. I need to kill the first guy first. I think that's actually like a solid strat. Like, why not go all the way up here? Right? Done. Easy. Except for this lady. Okay, well, at least I know my strat now. That's... aggroing them all to come down here is like the best thing I've ever done. I mean, we're gonna have to deal with them on the way down, but that's okay. And we'll save our flashbang. And he'll open the thing for us. And now we have as much time as we need to deal with everyone else. Oh, Jesus Christ. Interesting. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking we switch to the flashbang. Oh no! I threw it like all the way over in an arc. I didn't know that. I need to throw it at my feet. That was almost perfect. Okay, well, that wasn't great. I made progress, you freaking... Good. We're making... this is a good one. Excellent. 1, 2, 3... Come over here. What if I do this? Oh, God. Okay, that, I think actually coming down there is good, because it makes them get away from the door, and then I might actually be able to deal with them later. Easier. Assuming I don't get whirlwinded. Spin to win. Holy crap, okay. God damn it. I don't understand. I've done it like a bunch of times. It seems like at random this guy just does not want to play fair. Wait for her. Okay, good. And then I guess we come out here. Don't shoot me. Wait, that's not what I actually wanted to do. We want to go down here. Okay, good. We pop down here just for a minute. Make them suspicious. Don't do it. God damn it. It's okay, we got this now. I mean, I have the strat. Now it's just we need to get lucky with random, like, this guy spinning me and the other guy spinning me. It's about a 50-50 shot each time whether or not we're actually going to get killed there or not. Okay. Things are going well. Now we pop down here. Hello. I don't like you being here. Oh, Jesus. Are they just gonna chill out there? I'm actually fine with that. He's dead. Okay, good. Oh, I didn't go in the thing. Just keep running. Oh my god. There's so many dudes. I should have gone in the freaking pipe. Okay. It's okay. Oh, that was very close. There were bullets there. Okay, good. Excellent. I mean, this is consistent. It's just not always. The killing those dudes isn't always consistent. Hold on. So is this faster than walking? I don't know. Oh, you know what? We could just walk off this edge. Probably. Oh, I didn't go down there and... Hold on. Okay, new plan. Come over here, switch to the flashbang. Make sure to do that beforehand, and we'll throw it at our feet when we get in here. Oh, the freaking slashy lady. Okay, so we forgot to we forgot the important step of walking down to aggro all of them. God damn it. Don't do it. That was very close to my death, but it's okay. Don't spin to win me. Freaking... What the heck? Oh god, I forgot the step. Go, 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 go. That doesn't work then. I can't do it then. Okay, I have to do it while I'm going through the thing. Oh my god. Okay. Get in here. I don't know why I walked so far out. That's okay. Doing okay. Do this. This part's easy. We've done this 100 times now. Got both of them coming this time. Kill the thing. Thank you for not picking up the sledgehammer. Okay. That's for you guys. Wait patiently. Okay. Things are going well. Okay, so now we go over here. Why don't we just fall off this edge? They're still, like, clustered right there. But the slashy lady isn't there, so we might actually have a chance. Oh, no, 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 no. He was still... Okay, he was stunned, but because we attacked him. Okay, hold on. So if we just... Okay. Right. Why do I have my fists equipped right now? Restart. What the heck? Best way to pick a locked door is by knocking on it. come down here. Oh god, that slashy lady's down there, man. That's not great. God damn it, that's worse. Okay. We may have to revise our strategy. Maybe if we... No, because we have to flashbang. Please, let me in. Yeah, I don't know. There we go. I didn't aggro all the dudes. Ah, crap. Screws up everything. Let me restart. No. Restart. There we go. Oh no, I aggroed everyone in the club. Don't even, We aggro that slashy lady. I don't know what causes that. See, now they're all chilling out over there. There we go. Now there's just one, which is terrifying because she's the fastest attack. I don't know why they don't come up to this floor. This is new. You guys aren't supposed to be here. Okay, she's actually in the other spot now. Which means that we might actually have a shot at this. Hold on, get out my flashbang, that's important. And then we're gonna throw it at my feet. Go. Yes! Wow, there were like 80 ladies that were killing. Only 66 deaths. 4 stars, okay. Flashbang's pretty cool. Wow, holy shit. Okay, that's... Look at this cat. I love this cat animation. Holy crap. It's a cutie. Alright. Good stuff. How many souls did we get there? No forest, a lone tree, kills her own for escape. A woman without guilt cannot live with me. The candles have reported Madame Stella has multiple phylacteries. I will have to destroy them all before taking Madame Stella down. Alright. At least it's not freaking timed. That was crazy. She knows about the conversion. Kill her and stop the ash. Sounds good. Oh, whoops. Said sounds good. Okay, what are we looking at here? Are all these big bottles her phylacteries? We're gonna have to, like, clear every room. Combat shotgun. That's always nice. Where does this go? Everywhere. Where doesn't it go? Okay. God damn it. Okay. That's not a bad strat as long as we can get this guy when he's facing away from us. Where does this go? Can we go out here, or we can walk back in once we're off the top? Oh god. Maybe if I knock there, that'll be better. Okay, I don't like the... God damn it. The flashbang being right in the area that I'm trying, or like right next to the vent. That's kind of annoying. Maybe let's go down and see what our prospects are here. No, that doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna have to not go that way. I think this is a better strat, actually. Go in here, we'll kill this guy when he's not facing us. We get the fuck out of there. This guy should... I don't know, Madam Stella is just gonna hang out over there, probably. What are you doing, man? Nice. Okay. I think we try and shoot out all the lights that we can. Oh god, what have I done? I've ushered in the apocalypse. Okay, Madam Stella's back in her house. What do we got down here? Oh my god, that was close. Okay. Well, we got some ladies incoming. Maybe some men. Yeah, good. Good. Excellent. No, no, no. Oh, I thought we would be able to get him. That's okay. I think this is okay. I think we got this under control. This is a good strat. Go in here. Good. Useless guards. Oh boy. Oh no 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 no! Don't go through the door. That's death. Okay. 1 second. I think these guys' biggest problem is that they haven't found a way to like make the vents impassable. I think that 99% of their problems would be solved if they just like blocked more of their vents. Okay, she's coming in, so we'll like get the heck out of here and break this. Good. That worked out admirably. Then we pop all these lights. Good. Oh no 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 no! I didn't have my scythe. That was the problem there. God damn it. I totally would have had that if I had my scythe. Remember, never let go of your scythe. That is your most important weapon. We only aggroed one of them? Come on. That's okay. It's a little bit weird, but it'll be okay. It's okay, they're coming out here. Good. I don't like this guy. But we know he's coming this way, so if we just wait right here. Madam Stella, where are you going? Why? Why are you coming over here? That's different. Okay, let's do one of these. We'll go in here. Refill our combat shotgun. Why are... Stella... That worked. Okay, we have one clip remaining. I don't know what we're gonna do about this situation. God damn it. Oh, man. Okay. No, don't go in here. I want the... No, don't go in here. It'll be fine. Oh, that was very close. I died! It was very close. That was too close for comfort, in fact. Okay. Aggro both of these ladies if possible. There we go. Okay, then we come over here. Excellent. Wait for these. I wonder if she reacts. Maybe she reacts to her phylacteries being broken. So if we like chill out on that. I'm gonna get the combat shotgun again to deal with what's her face. And by what's her face, I mean to deal with this guy. Oh no! I shot him in like the knee or something, and so he didn't actually die. That's annoying. God damn it. Remember to use cover. You know what? How about you use cover? I've used cover like exactly once in this playthrough. There we go. Oh, almost. God damn it. Useless guards. Okay. Seriously though, this time. This is the time. Just gotta play better, honestly. Okay, well, you know, not waiting until that guy turns around is a bad thing, as we know. Causes death. That's okay. Only aggroing one of these ladies is annoying. Okay, good. Now. So these guys theoretically should be up here, yeah, good. Take the combat shotgun. You are on the wrong side, my friend. Dude. Oh god. No, 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 no. Oh no. God damn it. Let me... Okay, that's fine. Whatever. I'm getting stuck on the next phase because I don't know exactly what to do here. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm alive! Oh my god. Somehow. I don't know how that happened. She's angry now. Oh my god. No, 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 no. I just punched her. Please. Madam Stella. Okay, stand like close to the door so we aggro both of them at the same time. Good. Oh, never stop at scything. That's my own fault there. No! Never stop. Don't believe. I believe. I want to believe. Actually, that works. Uh-oh, accept this. Okay, woo! Okay, kill this, shoot that. Get over here, shoot this. Shoot that one, good. Now it's all dark, you guys are coming up here. We're gonna go down here and shoot this, and then we're gonna go up here and swap. We're gonna murder you. And you. And you. And then this lady, apparently. And then you guys. Okay. This guy. Okay, that's good. Good. This is good. We're doing well. We got the suppressed PPW here. Madam Stella's safely in her area. Then we do some of this. We'll just wait for this guy patiently. We got our combat shotgun. And our scythe. And then we tell her the business. I'm thinking, actually, wondering if we should use the ranged advantage. That's not working. We did it. Okay. Holy shit. Double combat shotguns, let's go. Also, wait, we should pick up our scythe, because if any mortal should grab our scythe, they will become death incarnate or something. I don't know. I'm not superstitious. Apparently the guns that we leave on the ground actually doesn't matter, though. Achievement unlocked. 1,000-year royals cleared. Nice. 2 stars. Pretty bad, but, you know, it worked out. So, that's fine. We have 95 souls. That's pretty sweet. Cat's asleep on the thing. I think, well, you know, I think this is not a bad place to stop. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe we'll peek at what we have next. Flames roar to life. Candles do not know the skeleton's aim. Go and peer inside their precious cargo. While the candles couldn't see inside the cargo, they did spot a crane with a weapon on top. Those who take their own life come back as skeletons, destined forever to roam this place. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. So we're in the skeleton chapter now. The skeleton part. The dredged. And I assume this is the final one because, you know, maybe? I don't know. Seems like probably the final one. 3 is a magic number and all that. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Hit the like button, subscribe. Bye-bye.